table is finished. The only thing I haven't done is to fasten the middle and the lower shelf to the steel structure. I'll do that after I repaint the thing in the spring. Now we'll put it in where it's supposed to stay, and I'll show you what the plan is here. So here is the corner where the table is going to sit, and over there is the Cincinnati dividing head, and underneath there is a big chuck for the pacemaker, and there's the milling machine. So the plan is to put those two things, those, on top of the table. I'll just show you what it's going to be like here. I'll try to lift the dividing head onto the table now. Okay, that went well. We got the crane into place, almost. So I got a different strap. I have one of those, but it will work. It's not. Anyway, I'll keep my toes away. So we got the dividing head and the truck onto the table. Then yeah, I'll show you what the main purpose is. So, it's rolling way too easily. Like so. And if the floor was even, it would be stationary too. That'd be nice. Like so, go straight in so we get the casters lined in a different way. And there. Bring you over here so you can see. Here you got the overview. Here's the close-up. You can see, you can just slide it onto the middle table without all the crazy lifting. And if I want to take off both Y's and the dividing head, I can just slide this all the way up here and then slide the Y's onto the table too. So that was the plan all along. Regarding the table, I should have put brakes on two of the wheels. We'll see if I do that later or if I just leave it as it is. Thanks for watching, guys.